This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is the approaching May 15th IRS filing deadline for nonprofit organizations. There are many types of nonprofit organizations, and the filing requirements vary depending on size and type. I'm just going to cover a few of the most common and most general. If you have a small charity, your neighborhood parents club or something like that, something that doesn't even raise $50,000 a year or less, the filing requirement is very simple. It's called a postcard. It's not really a postcard. It's an online filing. It's done quickly and easily. If you're a person like me that serves a lot of nonprofits, I do them in batches, so I can take care of 10 at a time and just provide the proof of filing. If you don't do that and 3 years go by and you haven't taken care of that, the IRS can and will revoke the tax exempt status of the organization, and then you start all over again. So that's no fun. For many 501c3s that are divided into one of two categories, either private foundations or public charities, depending on where they get their funds, have a Form 990 filing requirement. I suggest do not take that lightly. It has pages and pages of questions and disclosures, information about the directors and your programs and what's changed since last year, and did you do this and did you do that. Allow time to take care of that if you need to make that type of a filing. Generally, there's no tax due for most nonprofits. Sometimes there could be. If you're running a little side business selling hot dogs or selling things that have a sales tax, you might owe something to the state or an income tax unrelated to your nonprofit. But in most cases, there's nothing due. Tomorrow, we're going to get into some of the problem issues that have come up with some of these 990 filings. But for today, that's enough. Thanks for showing up. If you like what you saw and you'd like to see more like it, I invite you to follow me or subscribe.